This is Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite, and today I would like to demonstrate how you can make sure that your tablet is original or fake. So the first method is to compare the serial number that you have, at your system specs and the serial number indicated at the tablet packaging. So let's first open the, tablet's specifications, so settings, about tablet, status information, and here is the serial number. And the serial number that is written at the packaging, so let me manually adjust my focus real quick. As you can see, it ideally or perfectly corresponds with the one that I have at my system specifications or at the status information page. But there's also another way to make sure that you have an original Samsung device. So basically open the phone app and dial in the *#0*#. And if you see this test menu in front of you after you've dialed the secret code, that means that your tablet is 100% original. So this test menu allows you to test various parts of your device, such as the color representation, the grip sensor, the sensor in general, touch sensor, speakers, and other stuff. Alrighty, so that will be it for today, guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.